Shifting focus then, latest on US-Venezuela tensions. The US forces carried out strikes against 3 more vessels suspected of narco-trafficking.
US Southern Command said that at least 3 people were killed in these strikes while several others jumped overboard. The US Southern Command also said that these vessels were traveling as a convoy. It claimed that these vessels were operated by designated terrorist organizations in international waters, and intelligence confirmed that these vessels were transiting along known narco-trafficking routes and had transferred narcotics between the 3 vessels prior to the strikes. The first strike killed 3 people aboard one of the vessels, and those on the other boats jumped overboard and distanced themselves before follow-on strikes sank the other 2 vessels.
Well, the military said that it had notified the Coast Guard to activate the search and rescue systems, and that is without offering, while it offered little details about the fate of those aboard the other boats. In fact, since the month of September, the US military has carried out more than 30 such strikes on alleged drug smuggling boats. However, it has not provided any concrete evidence that the targeted boats are involved in drug trafficking.
These strikes are seen as part of US President Donald Trump's pressure campaign against Venezuelan leader Nicolas Maduro. Trump has accused Maduro of running a drug cartel.
Maduro has denied the allegation and has accused Washington of what he calls seeking regime change to gain access to his country's massive oil reserves.
On Wednesday, the US also announced sanctions on 4 companies over their operations in Venezuela's oil sector. The US Treasury Department also identified 4 related oil tankers as blocked property. Trump has declared a blockade of sanctioned oil vessels sailing to and from the South American country.